Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove background of your photo by using Adobe Photoshop. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you'll be able to remove background from your photo by using Adobe Photoshop very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, let's open the Adobe Photoshop and tap on open right here. And select the photo that you like and tap on open again. And once your photo opens, then you have to tap on layers. And here you can see the background is locked. So to unlock, you have to tap on this lock icon. And now you have to tap on properties and scroll down. And here in the section of quick action, you can see the option of remove background. Tap on that. And now you can see the background is removed, but here you can see the hairline is also removed a little bit. So to smooth the hairline, you have to tap on select and tap on select and mask. And here you have to tap on this search icon and zoom a little bit. And here in the right section, you can see the brush icon. Tap on that and smooth the hairline. And now tap on again this search icon and zoom out. And after smoothing the hairline, you have to tap on OK. And now you can see the hairline is looking a little bit smooth. And here, in order to save this file, you have to tap on this file which is in the top right. And tap on Save As. And here in the Save As type, you have to select PNG and tap on Save. And tap on OK. Then you'll be able to save this photo. This is how you can remove the background using Adobe Photoshop. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.